And I thought for this video we would go over the manually drawing trajectories for the Script AI Manager. So if you want to manually draw where your car is going to go for Script AI, then you would need to open the Script AI editor, and then here you'll see open close trajectory window, and manually draw in a new trajectory on the map. So you'll start with a node similar to like when you make any mesh road or river, and that'll indicate where the start is. And then as you place more and more nodes, it will continue and make the path that you would like the vehicle to take. Now be careful that you do not make too sharp of a turn anywhere, or that you're going too fast. If the car loses control, it seems to end the script. Alright, so now that we got this, we click this checkbox, and that's going to create the trajectory. Now, from here, you can see it says status not attached. There's no vehicle attached to the script yet. So what you'll do is select the vehicle that you would like. Well, assuming you're on the vehicle that you want, you just attach this to trajectory to the selected vehicle. Now the selected vehicle is attached to the trajectory. You can now play it. So reveal this. You can also reveal it from a top-down view, and you can adjust and tweak it here if you need to. If you need to put a new node in, you can add new nodes. If you don't have enough nodes and you're like, oh well, I made that turn too sharp, well, you can do it like this. You also can show a spline version of it. So now wait a minute. So right here, you're going to execute the scenario. You can also tell it if you want it to loop or not. Now if you want to change anything, you'll have to stop it. Stop the scenario execution. Alright, here you got velocities and you got the nodes. The nodes are the numbers. It tells you what each one of these nodes are. You can have it display it in numbers here as well, and you can have the velocities also. So as you can see, all this is all 30 kilometers per hour. You can change it so that it's all, say, 50 or 60, and assign 60 to the trajectory, and then it'll go 60 miles, or try to go 60 as best it can. Now, this is using the AI assist which kind of helps it stay on the path. But I can tell you that it can have some really weird behavior sometimes. So that's using AI assist. Now if you can turn this off, you can replay it. And this is more like an actual player playing and not the AI telling it to go where to go. And it'll, based on the speed, it'll try to stay on the path as best it can. But if you ask it to do something crazy and it'll get off track, it may not continue. Now, say you want to see, like all these nodes are all fixed in time, like now. So if we were to start moving nodes now, and we tell it not to hold velocity, or is it the other way around? Maintains average velocity. Oh, alright, so don't hold velocity. And then we start moving the nodes, then it's going to make it so that it's got to, so if I move this closer to this, it's going to make it slow down, right? Between that node and that node. Because the distance is shorter, it doesn't need to go as fast. But on the other hand, if I were to drag this out really far and say start here, oh, that's the end, I'm sorry, that's the end, not the beginning. So here, we'll drag this out. For it to get to the same point in time, it's going to have to go a lot faster. So now if we play this, well, you know, it'll go as fast as it can't exceed what the vehicle's, you know, going to do, of course. So if the vehicle doesn't go that fast in that short amount of time, it's not going to matter. Now here's the thing, you can export these too. You can export this to a trajectory file. Now I haven't messed with this yet. I'm gonna put it, what is this map here? Hiroshi. I'm just gonna name it test. Oh. You also got this rigid path. If you have this selected, you can move the entire path as one big object and execute wherever you want to execute it. I really couldn't think of a reason to do that, but that's an option you got. Let's reload the level and see if we can load that trajectory back in. Which I wouldn't think you shouldn't. You should be able to do it. I wouldn't see why not. So script AI editor, load session. Go to where you saved it. So test, open. And I don't see it. Import trajectory from file. No, that's what I did. That's what you do. So there's our trajectory that we did earlier. And we should be able to just play it. Oh, once we attach a vehicle to it. You know what? Let's get a different vehicle. Let's try it with a different one. It's something with a little speed. So let's attach that vehicle to it. That ain't this vehicle. That's not the vehicle. Oh, I'm see what I'm doing now. I'm tabbing between the damn. Oh, there you go. There it is. That's where you pick it. Not attached. So. Alright, now it's attached. Oh, I guess if another vehicle's in the way, you know, it's gonna run into it. Also, the AI assist's on, so we'll turn that off so it drives more like a regular car. Let's reset the scene. Let's move him out of the way. And let's play. Now it is slowing down between some of these nodes, so if you decide you want to make it go faster in between nodes, you should only have to delete the nodes in between, I would think. Let's turn that back on so that it shows. Or do I keep losing my little menu? Show velocities. So if I say delete that one, oh, 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 gotta turn that hold velocities off. If you want to do that. So we'll delete the ones. I can't pick that one. What number is that? That'd be, oh, there ain't one in between there. Let's try it now. Now, I wonder, you know, I guess there's no, well, we'll try to make another one. Let's see if we can make two. Because it's supposed to go cycle through the different colors for the different scripts. So if you wanted to manually draw in a new trajectory on the map, it gives you a new color. So say you want this one to be, say here, and you want it to go here, and then we pull up the vehicles window, which I'm not seeing my damn window. I don't see it. Oh, I gotta finish the draw path first. Now we'll say pickup truck. This is the new one here. So we'll assign the pickup truck to this new one. Now, we should be able to play it, and they should collide. Or if they don't, we can adjust it. Oh, let's pick the other one. Let's turn off hold velocities and AI assist. And let's adjust it. That was close. And we should be able to export that as well and import it in later. So I think that's pretty cool. Now you can also loop it if you want it to loop after it plays. You can adjust the time scale. So it's pretty cool, I think. I think it's pretty interesting what you can do with it. To me, it's a lot easier than messing with the script AI manager. Well, I won't say it's a lot easier. It's a different method. It may be a little more confusing, but I feel like with this one you got more variety over what you can do. Now, what if we just do the traditional script AI? We'll bring in another vehicle. Let's just bring in something completely different. And let's do this with the traditional script AI. And see if we can edit that spline. Script AI Manager. I don't see it. Oh, let's there. So this is this one here. Alright. Can we edit that one? I wouldn't think we couldn't. If we go to Script AI Editor, open trajectory windows, and no, I don't see it in there. Now, let's see. Got another idea. Save recording. That's not the same thing. I don't. Well, see, this is the. I just realized something. There's two different kinds of scripts. You got the one that records, of course, and then you got the other one that we're messing with. And the one that we're messing with is using, where is it at? I seen it earlier. Mode, there it is, time based. You got time based and you got the other velocity based. But since this has already been determined to be time based, then you would have to pick either vector based or time based, I believe. Yeah, see, that's velocity based now. Now, how this differs, uh, you can increase the velocity between nodes. I think I'd prefer this one better. Oh no, let's see. Let's play it and see. Yeah, it's slowing down and stuff. That's not a good car to have on it for testing speed, though. That thing is pretty slow. Where's my vehicle selector? Let's make it go real quick. Now you can switch to the view too if you wanted to do it that way. Let's see. Not sure what that's for. Oh, you see there's no AI assist on velocity mode. Or velocity based. So it's only the one that's time based that it'll try to manually drive it and whatnot. Or, AI assist, that's what I'm trying to say.